much more difficult, honestly, than a gun. Okay? So here, ang situation is, yung nag-hold up sa inyo is using a gun o nasa side. Of course, discreet, hidden sa arm nyo. There's a different technique with this. Okay? And very close. Again, different technique if it's far. If later on you want, I can show you yung technique. Pero here, yung tuturo ko right now is yung gun is very close sa inyo. Just like the knife. So you look, okay, it's a gun. It's not a knife. Then I have to do something. Okay? Down. Again.